In this video, I will show you how to find penny stocks on Robinhood. It is very easy to do. Just make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start. So finding a penny stock on Robinhood involves identifying stocks that trades at a low price, typically under the $5. While Robinhood doesn't have a specific penny stock filter, you can use a combination of tools and methods to find them. So first is use the Robinhood search feature. You can open up the Robinhood app or you can log in via the Robinhood website. Then tap on search icon on the home screen. In the search bar, type stocks under $5. Now you need to specify tickers for the penny stocks if you know them. Browse them through the search results for the stock price under $5. Now you need to browse trending list. Robinhood provides trending and top mover list. Then navigate to the top mover section to find the stocks that are gaining or losing significant value. Penny stocks are often volatile and may appear in this section. Third is filter stock manually. While Robinhood doesn't provide advanced scanners, you can manually search. Tap in the individual stocks to check their current price. Focus on companies with price under $5. Now you can use the external stock screeners to simplify this process. You can use the free stock screeners like Yahoo Finance, Finviz, TradingView. Then filter the stock based on the following criteria. First is under $5, market cap, small cap or the micro cap, then exchange, Nasdaq or NYSE. Robinhood doesn't support OTC stocks, so you have to keep in mind that also. Once you identify potential penny stocks, search for their tickers in the Robinhood apps to buy and watch them. Now you have to check penny stocks news and forum. Visits forums like Reddit or the news site that may track penny stocks. Find the stock creating buzz and search for their tickers on Robinhood. Then you need to research before buying. So there is a volatility alert. Penny stock are highly volatile and risky. So you need to read about the company's financial performance news update to avoid scams and pump up and dump schemes. So that is how you can find penny stock on Robinhood. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.